Dealership collision repair centers are losing market share to consolidators like Gerber Collision, Service King, Caliber Collision, and others. These consolidators are purchasing existing collision repair centers and opening new ones all across America, successfully becoming the low-cost repairer of choice for insurance companies everywhere. Some consolidators have even obtained factory-certified status by the same auto manufacturers you represent. It's no wonder some dealers have become frustrated and exited the collision repair business altogether. But this doesn't have to be the case. By making a few small adjustments, dealership collision repair centers can survive and even thrive during this unprecedented time of consolidation. Helping dealers increase profits and once again feel excited about participating in the collision repair business is why our company exists.